क्रिप्टो और एनएफटी अनियंत्रित हैं और इनके साथ अत्यधिक जोखिम जुड़ा हो सकता है। संभव है कि इस प्रकार के लेन देन से हुए किसी भी नुकसान के लिए कोई विनियामक सहायता उपलब्ध न हो। किसी भी सूचना के लिए support@coinswitch.co पे संपर्क करें।
Hello, and welcome to this very special AI-generated price analysis. In this weekly price analysis, we will cover Avalanche, Shiba Inu, and the new coin listed on CoinSwitch today, STEPN. First, an update on the market and how it is performing. Giving pause to the rally since the start of this year, the crypto market last week saw prices trading sideways with a downward bias. The news of the US market regulator SEC banning staking as a service for Kraken dominated the market, resulting in a slight sell-off in the market. Also, the New York Department of Financial Services ordered crypto company Paxos to stop minting and issuing stablecoin bust has affected the crypto market sentiment. At a point, the total global crypto market cap tumbled below the $1 trillion level. However, despite the market's uncertainties, the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index continues to stay above 50 and is in the neutral zone, indicating resilience in the market. Bitcoin and other leading cryptos are slowly recovering from their week's low points and trying to overcome the bearish sentiments. This week, we have listed GMT, native token STEPN, a self-styled Web3 lifestyle app with elements of GameFi hosted on the Solana blockchain. Here is a quick price analysis of the GMT token. GMT had a bullish start to the year 2023, with its price increasing from 25 cents, 21 rupees and 75 paise level to reaching a high of 66 cents, 57.4 rupees level, and is currently trading near the 42 cents, 36.5 rupees level. On the daily chart, the 50% level in Fibonacci retracement is acting as a strong support. A break above the 50 EMA line and 46 cents, 40 rupees level would be extremely positive for the coin, helping it to move higher toward the 52 cents, 45.2 rupees level. Now, moving to the next coin, AVAX, the native token of Avalanche. The crypto project has seen a 1,500% growth in transactional volume, surpassing 450 million transactions as per on-chain data analytics firm Nansen. Now the price analysis. AVAX is one of the top-performing coins in the Layer 1 segment in 2023. In the recent sell-off, the price of AVAX has cracked by almost 20%. However, AVAX has jumped higher after testing for support at 38.2% of the Fibonacci retracement scale on the 4-hour price chart. At present, the 1,570 rupee level is acting as a minor resistance, and in the event of a rally in the market or a break above the 50 EMA line, AVAX may break above the 1,630 rupee level. 1,500 rupees is providing strong support to AVAX. Keep a close eye on volume bars and how the price moves around the key support and resistance zones. Now, we will cover SHIB. As the Shibarium launch approaches, whale activity and investor activity in the coin have reached their peak. A tweet from Whale Stats revealed that a large Ethereum whale had grabbed 223 billion SHIB tokens as they increased their bets ahead of the Shibarium launch. Also, yesterday, Shiba Inu, lead developer, revealed Shibarium's official logo, pushing up the sentiment of SHIBArmy. In the last 24 hours, SHIB has gained over 4.77% and is facing resistance at 0.001113 level, which also coincides with the 50 EMA line. A breakout with strong volume could propel SHIB to reach above 0.001160 level. RSI is at the neutral line, indicating the indecisiveness of the traders, meaning traders are looking for a broader market direction. If BTC breaks above the $22,500 and $22,700 levels, we may see a strong price rally in SHIB, helping it to reach 0.001240 level. Underneath, 0.001070 level is a strong support level. That's all for this week's price analysis.
क्रिप्टो और एनएफटी अनियंत्रित हैं और इनके साथ अत्यधिक जोखिम जुड़ा हो सकता है। संभव है कि इस प्रकार के लेन देन से हुए किसी भी नुकसान के लिए कोई विनियामक सहायता उपलब्ध न हो। किसी भी सूचना के लिए support@coinswitch.co पे संपर्क करें।